Hi guys, are you preparing for your business data analytics practical paper? That is a Kasneb paper that was just introduced the other time. And probably you are like, how can I do this paper? How can I study this paper on my own? Yes, we have a solution for you guys. From now on, don't worry anymore. I want you to see the interface and how we've arranged our work so that you'll find it to be very, very easy for you to study. First of all, the whole course content, we have these areas. That is, of course, we are talking over 5 segments: introduction to Excel, introduction to data analytics, core application of data analytics, as well as application of data analysis in specialized areas. Say, for example, maybe at this point you want to study, say, like topic 1 at your own time. Remember, these are purely practical, right? See how easy it is. What you need to do, you just come to view subtopics, okay? On view subtopics, that is our topic number 1. You'll find that under introduction to Excel, if you can compare with exactly what is in your syllabus here, you'll find that we've arranged that in that content, whereby introduction to Excel, these are the concepts under topic number 1. So ours, we've expounded it so that at any given point, whenever you're studying, you'll find that it will be very much easy for you to understand. So these are the subtopics under topic 1. So what you need to do is easy. You just say like we want to study, say like pivot tables, right? So what you need to do is just you click read notes. On reading notes, you'll find that we've arranged our work in this manner. First of all, you're going to get, of course, the videos arranged in that manner. You'll find that at this point you can study.
Hello learners, welcome to our session today. I am your instructor CPA Ringo Frederick.
You can forward as well.
Table, this summarization tool.
You want to follow this class clearly, what you need to do, you just come and download this Excel. You see, like we've given you instruction, pivot table Excel file, that is a pivot table 1. So I just copy paste this link to a new tab. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy paste it there, then see what will happen. You see, the pivot table will download at this point, you see here. Then you just open the pivot table. It's very easy, very interactive. You can use it to study at your own time. You see now this is a pivot. On this video that we've used, on this video 4 hours here, basically, now that is a pivot table that you've downloaded for video number 1. And maybe in the event that you're doing some things and you feel like probably you're not getting the concept clearly, the beauty part, you don't need to worry, because you can ask a question here. You come, pose your question where you are not getting the concept right. You submit your question, and of course, we'll always guide you. So there's also other areas that you'll find that they'll require some specific notes. And this is what we've done for you guys. To whenever we are saying that mDarasa, actually using mDarasa platform is just like you are in a physical class. Say, for example, like this subtopic number 1, utilizing the keyboard shortcuts in Excel. When you click read notes, other than the videos, you'll find that we've given you very brief notes for introduction to Excel, just guiding you in areas that you need to be very good at. In this case, of course, you can always tend to, other than just going through the videos, right?
Hello learners, welcome again to this beautiful session of
Other than going through the video, you can download the same case. You'll just copy paste to a new tab. You download Excel workbook. You see it is downloading, and at that point you'll just follow these notes clearly at your own convenient time. You come, you follow the Excel the way we've arranged. You see, very easy, very easy, very easy, very easy, very easy. You feel like you need to download the video to watch offline. To save time, you just right click, then you save video as. Then on saving video as, of course, you can always select where you want to save your video, and you're done, and you're done. So that is a way that we've designed for you guys to make your work much easier. So if you have not subscribed to mDarasa, you don't know what you're waiting for. This is a chance that you need to take. You know, like the BDA paper is in February. You can subscribe as soon as you can. Even if it's this December, you study December, January, you're very prepared when you come February. Take this chance. And right now we're having a very, 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 very interesting offer for you guys. Don't be left behind. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, hit that subscription button right away. Wish you all the best and happy holidays. Thank you guys. See you soon.